I'm Richard Bafokumi, the equipment manager of Boachie Enterprise. Boachie is into mining, and we are also licensed gold dealers. We have a lot of machines on site from various brands, including Caterpillar machines. Currently, we have a project ongoing at Manso where we have 16 excavators, with 11 of them being Caterpillar excavators. However, I want to talk about one particular machine. About 4 months ago, a manager came to us and tried introducing a Caterpillar model 320GS to us. Initially, we were reluctant, but eventually we decided to give it a try. And really, when this machine came to site, it has helped us a lot. If I'm starting from fuel efficiency, I would say there are other machines with similar specs. If they run 8 hours in a day, 320GS consumes less, about 3/4 of what the other machines consume. Again, we have realized that 320GS can work at places where it's very difficult for other machines to excavate. Also, with maintenance, we change oil or we make maintenance after 500 hours as compared to other machines where we do 250 hours maintenance. And amazingly, 320GX shows no sign of smoke from the exhaust as compared to other machines that begin showing smoke from the exhaust after 2 to 3 months of usage. Operators on site are also saying that they're very comfortable using the machine. They have no backaches in sitting in the machine. So if somebody is asking of a machine to use for his project, I recommend 320GX because you can save a lot of money for maintenance and also fuel. As I speak to you now, Boachie has arranged buying a new 320GX from Mantrack, and I've also recommended another one for a colleague of mine.